52 points up for the Nifty, which is not a bad start, but we have started well below 5900 on the Nifty. For the Nifty, the reaction may not be all that strong because the real story is in NBFCs, and none of the large NBFCs so far are part of the Nifty 50. So let's first address State Bank of India, and then we look at some of the key NBFC stocks. State Bank of India on expected lines, 15 rupees up. I was hoping for a bigger gap up open here. Bajaj Finserv, 865 rupees. Bajaj Finance, 3% up. Mahindra and Mahindra Financial up 14 rupees at 213 rupees. Religare Enterprises, 290 rupees for Religare Enterprises. Shrey Infra, 38.5. Chola Investments, 298 rupees. It's a big gap up start for that one. L&T Finance and Holding, big move there. It's a very liquid stock. Many experts are of the view that L&T Finance is a prime candidate to get a new license. PFC is at 208, Shriram Finance 519. It's a long list, and just about every NBFC which has over 10 years of business experience, those stocks are off to a flying start. So L&T Finance, you've got price action and volume action, and Mahindra Financials. Religare is off to a great start. IFCI is holding on. REC is holding on. And then suddenly IFCI has shot up by about 2% plus.
Let's see the stock of the day. SBI as well, post the preferential allotment which was announced. SBI has gotten off to a smart start, up about 0.5%. One would though expect a higher price action on SBI, but let's just give the stock price few minutes to try and absorb the news. 2208 on SBI on last count. Ranbaxy, which is now resuming manufacturing of generic Lipitor for US. Ranbaxy has gotten off to a very smart start, and that's a good 3% bump up that you're seeing on the stock price. Watch out for this one as well. And of course, the dealing room charter as well was indicating a defensive tilt in the market in the run up to the budget. Lanco Infrastructure, that is again one stock which is in focus. You've also got ONGC, which has now refused to share cost of future exploration in the Rajasthan area. So watch out for Ken as well. Up marginally in the green in this or rather ONGC, I beg your pardon actually. ONGC is just about a little softish in trade. GMR is now keen to sell its Singapore plant. They're now in talks with Southeast Asian utilities to raise about $650 million, and GMR as well starts off with a gain of about 1%. Jet Etihad deal, some of the media reports indicate that perhaps the deal is now in jeopardy. Etihad unhappy with the lack of control when it comes to Jet. Jet starts off down by about 1.6%. Also news out in Diageo. Again, media reports indicating that Diageo has no current plans to change the open offer price. Remember, this relates to SEBI raising concerns on the put option in the share purchase agreement. And United Spirits will just come off your screens as well.